Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you an assorted shrink tubing box from Parkside. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you the outer box, and then of course I'll show you the products that are within the box itself. So you can get one of them. I bought this specific one from Lidl, and the price for it was $2.99, but you can buy them on eBay and Amazon as well, but the pricing will be slightly higher than what Lidl compared to Lidl's price. So let's get to the box. It's a nice box, nice clean and solid box. So you can throw it around and it should be able to absorb absorb a certain amount of impact, but it does hold everything in place. So I'll show you if I zoom a little bit out. It's not that big. So let me just zoom in and show you some information. So you get 450 pieces of assorted shrink tubing. If I zoom in here, the max rated voltage for those products inside the box are up to 600 volts and max operating temperature up to 125 degrees. And then of course it has two other languages that explain the exact information I just mentioned. So if I were to zoom out, and then there's no information from this side, no information from that side, and then here on these sides you just have the name, it's the barcode, which is exactly the same from here. Now on the back side, towards the left hand, you should be able to see a sticker with content information, technical information for the products that are within the box. And on the right hand, you should be able to see some information about the company and also the actual barcode for the product itself. Now, this is how the box comes. So if you were to buy it at Lidl, but if you were to buy it online and get it through the post, then of course it should be in some other type of cardboard box or something on those lines. Now the way to open this one is you can use a razor or any type of knife. It's sealed with a sticker from both sides, from both the ends. So all you gotta do is just take the sharp side, softly smooth that way from this side and the other side, and then you'll disconnect both stickers that are holding it sealed. Then what you're going to do is just pull the front up, and as simple as that, you open the box. Now within the box you get one more piece of paper that has some technical information for each of the sleevings that come with it. Again, sorry for the tear here, I did that by mistake, but this is the information you get from the actual paper that comes with it, or document. Now you get 12 different products, 12 different sleevings. The difference here is the sizing. So it's the width from the inside around, the diameter around. Inside it goes from small to big, and it goes bigger. So I believe this is the smallest, and I assume the biggest one should be this one here. But they do feel, in my hand, the feeling I get is like they are definitely good quality, and that's there's no other difference besides the size. The length in all of them is exactly the same, and of course you get different colors for the different sizes. It's as simple as that. There's nothing else or anything special to mention here. But with this specific one, is for the price you are paying, you're getting a very good deal. And just to show you for example, where I personally going to use those. I don't need all of them, of course, but I just want to show you guys that you can do more stuff depending on the project you have. I have two small wires here. This is a Canon wire. I use it to repair consoles. So if you have two exposed conductors here, which you can see, then of course I would use some sort of tool to merge them together, but I'm doing this as an example. Let's say, for example, you want to put those two together. You're going to see that there is this piece here is exposed, so we don't want to leave this exposed. So there's two things you can do. Either they use an insulated tape, which again is not cheap, or you can get one of these boxes which are perfect, then you're going to get one of them and then put from the other side, slide it in, and then where the exposed wire is, you leave this on the middle or in the middle. And what you're going to do is you need some sort of heat source to apply to the actual sleeving, and that will shrink it and hold it in place tightly. I usually use a lighter. You don't have to go very close, just close enough, and then you should be able to feel this shrinking. And then of course this will protect the connection in both sides. And this is what it's going to look, but shrinked of course. And again, it depends on the type and the size of the cable you'll be using. But this is as simple as that. So if I leave this on the side, now you can get similar products online, but one thing to pay attention to is where you're getting it from and what actually you'll be getting. For example, with the Parkside box, you're getting everything in a box. You're getting 12 different series or different sizes, and you get 450 pieces in total, and this is $2.99. So what I did is, with the same price, with $2.99, I bought this package from eBay. Again, these are assorted shrink tubing boxes, tubing sleevings. This specific one was $2.99. This is how it came. There's no box with it, although the ad itself showed a box, but I didn't get a box. And this specific one, you get 328 pieces, and if I were to open it, you get 8 different sizes compared to 12 which you are getting with Parkside. So these are them. Then of course you get in a plastic bag, which is not it doesn't feel anywhere as good as the box itself. So you're paying $2.99 to get 8 different sleevings, and you get 328 pieces, or with $2.99 you get a nice box from Parkside with 12 different sizes, and of course with 450 pieces in the actual box itself. So it does worth investing into a Parkside assorted shrink tubing box compared to some generic non-branded ones that you can find online. But again, although for example you get this size would be slightly bigger, but I don't believe you really need the size to be this length to be this big. And this is it pretty much. This is the box, and as I mentioned, just simple as that. It's cheap, and you're getting a lot of product for the price itself, and actually everything is in a box compared to buying something online straight from China, and literally there's no other information. You're getting everything in a plastic bag. Which is not helpful at all. Again, I'll be making more videos comparing Parkside products compared to other products similar to that price, and then of course we can see if it's worth buying one of them or not. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and again, until next time, take care and stay safe.